everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. Crypto Election Project, a decentralizing political entertainment. They will give you two different tokens like SJT tokens and DHT token on Uniswap. You can also buy these tokens and sell these tokens on Uniswap, and here you can check it out, their DEX analytics tool. First, we have the president. You can also support the president which you want to support, and here you can see their white paper. I'm showing you their white paper. Crypto Election Project, decentralizing political entertainment. In a world where political promises often seem to evaporate like mist, the Crypto Election Project emerged as a satirical reflection of the ephemeral nature of political pledge. As meme tokens, SJT and DHT symbolize the grandiose promises, unrealized dreams, comical behaviors, and humorous name calling between political rivals. This white paper aimed to humorously explore the dynamics of these two presidential meme tokens while poking fun at the failed election promises and comical demeanor of these two prominent figures in contemporary American politics. It also aimed to give a clear development roadmap of the project and its future aspiration. Here you can check it out, the introduction and further more details. You must read their white paper for better understanding. Now back to the website. First, we have their tokenomic details. Here you can check it out. SJT tokens, 5% buy and sell tax, 2% burn, 2% send to liquidity pool, 1% send to marketing and development wallet. Next, we have DHT token, 5% buy and sell tax, 2% burn, 2% send to liquidity pool, and 1% send to marketing and development wallet. Next, we have that how to buy these tokens. Step 1. Download MetaMask wallet. Step 2. Add Polygon network to MetaMask wallet. Step 3. Fund MetaMask wallet with pool tokens. Step 4. Click buy on Uniswap button above. Step 5. Click connect wallet, then swap your desired amount of pool for SJT or DHT. Step 6. Add token address to wallet to make tokens visible in MetaMask UI. Check out the Crypto Election Project. You can also check it out, all the stuff right here. And next we have that how you can sell these tokens. Simply click sale on Uniswap button, click connect wallet, then click the down arrow inside the swap box to switch the sale and buy tokens. Enter your desired amount of token to swap, then swap SJT or DHT for pool. Next we have the smart contract address, project info. Here you can check it out, the blockchain, Polygon contract address, burn wallet address, token supply 25 trillion, token symbol SJT, token decimal 18, initial token burn 15%, lock liquidity, unilocker verification, and furthermore. You can also check it out, all the stuff right here. You must copy their contract address, connect your wallet, and buy these tokens. Next we have their token allocation, 45% to liquidity pool, 20% to project developer, 15% burn, 15% for pre-sale to raise liquidity, 5% to project marketing development. Next we have the token allocation about DHT token, 45% to liquidity pool, 20% to project developer, 15% burn, 15% for pre-sale to raise liquidity, 5% to project marketing and development. To give your token an edge, send manual burn to the manual burn wallet. Next we have their roadmap. Phase 1, development. Develop project idea from concept, develop and deploy smart contract, launch token pre-sale to raise liquidity, set up liquidity pool, develop and deploy token website, launch and market project, build a vibrant and active social media community that passionate about the project. Phase 2, pilot. Publish token on CoinGecko, create unique and rare meme NFTs, create a newsfeed page for project members, create a live chat for project member, create an arcade game gallery for project member, reach 1 million in market cap. Phase 3, full scale. List tokens on centralized exchange, create even more unique and even more rare meme NFTs, create a forum, decentralized autonomous organization DAO, to let the community decide the future direction of the project. Donate to various crypto charity organizations, reach 100 million in market cap, create election theme, blockchain infused, classic and web3 games. Next we have their legacies live on. Here you can check it out. The Sleepy Joy token and Donald Hump token was created for entertainment purpose only. This project is not affiliated or endorsed by either Joe Biden and Donald Trump. Here you can check it out, their social platform like their Telegram community and their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on other social platforms. Now I'm telling you about their amazing features. I'm showing you their game gallery and their NFTs gallery. And furthermore, first we have their game gallery. Here you can check it out. Important information. All games are free to play for Crypto Election Project members. In multiplayer mode, Web3 games require a bet to be made. Connect your wallet with either SJT or DHT to verify project membership. Web3 games require a bet to be made and agreed on by all players. The winner will claim up to 90% of the bet pool. All bets are made using the pool token. The Crypto Election Project receive a 10% fee from the Web3 bet pool. Only 21 or older are allowed to use the multiplayer bet mode feature of the Web3 game. Here you can check it out. There 2D games, free to play Web3 games, and furthermore. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is an amazing project. Next we have NFT Marketplace. Here you can check it out, the NFTs. Obama NFT minted, Trump NFT minted, and Biden NFT minted. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Barack Obama NFT collection, a crypto election project NFT collection featuring the 44th US president and his cool demeanor. Donald Trump NFT collection, a crypto election project NFT collaboration featuring the 45th US president and his shenanigans. Joe Biden's NFT collection, and furthermore, you can also check it out, all this stuff right here. Important information. SJT and DHT holders get 10% discount with each NFT minting. NFT holders are subject to a 2.5% royalty upon NFT resale. NFT are randomly selected from the collection for minting. NFT are designed with traits ranging from common to rare. NFTs can be used as Web3 in-game profile avatar. Here you can check it out, that how to mint NFTs and how to transfer NFTs to OpenSea for resale. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next we have their latest news. Here you can check it out, their latest news. They have a lot of news right here. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. Next we have their live chart. Here you can see their live chart. If you want to write some message, so you can write here. Simple to use, just start chatting. This is an outstanding platform. Now back to the website. I hope you like the video. So if you are looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Crypto Election Project with its strong fundamental, unique feature, and high growth potential. It positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.